In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create checklists in ClickUp. So I'm here. So I have to go up a bit. Here at chapter 4. Interesting. So chapter 4, I have all these let's say subchapters, and because I cannot copy them to write here as checklist, I am using an image, and I'm going to copy the text from the image using OneNote. So in OneNote I'm going to paste the image and then copy from the text from the image, and I'm going to put the text into an Excel, and I'll show you why. Okay, so I don't need this. Also, I'm going to put this image on the right just because I want to see. So the standard library hangman, this one don't care, the hangman, and then here it using vectors. So 100 is for using vectors 100, and then summary at 124, and these are here. Okay, this clean, this one I don't need, clean. Okay, the idea is that right now I'm going to concatenate these two columns, concatenate the text one, and then comma, double comma, the I want to put 3 dots, and then close the dots, and then the the next text concatenation, and I'm going to use something like this. Okay, with these I'm going to copy them and come back to ClickUp, where I'm going to open, and here I'm going to add checklists. So I will paste, and multiple lines detected, create checklist items. So right now, so I was reading this one, and right now I was using vectors. You can assign this one to somebody, so I'm going to assign all of them to me. There are options for multiple assignment, but right now I'm going to assign them only to me. And I was using vectors, I was using iterators, and right now I'm learning about um, algorithm. So I am at page 122, something like this. 113. I am at 113. So at page 113. Okay, so it's is the using algorithm. So I'm here right now, and here you can see I have 3 completed. So I can see, look, I have these completed. And the tracking time, I'm doing the tracking time with toggle track, and this is my toggle track. So toggles my time, and that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.